Give it a shot.
Hey, Jack, look at this flyer.
What is it? Let me see.
It's a cooking competition next week. It is right here in our town.
Oh, that looks fun. You love cooking. You make the best pasta.
I know. I really want to join, but I am a bit scared.
Why are you scared? You're a great cook.
But look at the judges. They are famous chefs. I never went to cooking school.
That doesn't matter. The food tastes good or it doesn't.
I suppose so. But what if I make a mistake? What if I burn the food? Everyone will see it.
Everyone makes mistakes. Even famous chefs burn things.
True, but it is still stressful. Maybe I should just watch from the audience.
No way. You will regret it. You have nothing to lose. The entry fee is free, and the first prize is a new oven.
Really? A new oven? I didn't see that.
Yes, so don't overthink it. Just give it a shot.
You're right. I need a new oven, and it might be a good experience.
Exactly. You won't know until you try.
Okay, I will do it. I will sign up today and give it a shot.
That's the spirit. I'll be there to help you eat the food.
Thanks for the support.
Give me a hand.
This is impossible. It is so heavy. Why did I buy such a big sofa?
Hey, Alicia, what are you doing? You look like you were fighting a bear.
Very funny. I am trying to move this sofa to the other wall.
Why? It looks fine right here.
I want to change the room layout. The light is better over there. I want to read by the window.
Okay, I see. But you can't move that alone. It is solid wood. You will hurt your back.
I know. I tried pushing it, but it won't move an inch. I'm stuck.
Do you want me to help?
Yes, please. Can you come here and give me a hand?
Sure, let's lift it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Lift.
Okay, walk slowly. Watch out for the rug. Don't trip.
I got it. Just tell me where to stop.
A little bit more to the left. Perfect. Put it down.
That was heavier than I thought.
I couldn't have done it without you. It looks much better now.
It does look nice by the window. Great idea.
Thanks for giving me a hand. Now I can finally relax and read my book.
No problem. Just don't ask me to move the piano next.
Don't worry, I won't.
So far, so good.
Wow, look at this red car. It is so shiny. Is this yours?
Yes, it is. I finally bought it 2 days ago.
It looks very powerful. How does it drive? Is it difficult to handle?
Not really. It is a bit big, so I am still learning how to park it. But so far, so good.
Why did you buy a new car? Your old one was fine.
My old car was terrible. It broke down every month. The repair bills were too high.
I see. Is it a gas car or an electric one?
It uses gas. I often drive long distances to visit my parents. I don't like waiting at charging stations. I prefer a traditional engine.
That makes sense. Gas is easier for long trips. So how is the interior? Is it comfortable?
It is great. The seats are soft and there's a lot of legroom. I have no complaints. So far, so good.
That sounds perfect. Can you drive me to the supermarket?
Sure, we can test the air conditioner.
Slip my mind.
Hey, you made it on time. The line is getting long.
Yeah, the traffic was bad, but I am here now. I'm ready to see the show.
Great. Hand me the tickets. I want to scan them and find our seats.
The tickets? Oh no.
Don't tell me you forgot them. You promised to print them out yesterday.
I am so sorry. I was in such a rush to leave the house. It completely slipped my mind.
I can't believe this. We drove all the way here. We can't get in without them.
Wait, don't panic. Let me think.
Do you have them on your phone?
I think so. I usually save the email. Let me check my inbox.
Please hurry. The show starts in 10 minutes.
Found it. Here's the QR code. We are safe.
Thank goodness. You almost gave me a heart attack.
I apologize again. Next time, I will set an alarm so it doesn't slip my mind.
Good plan. Now let's go inside before we are late.
Hang in there.
I can't take another step. My legs are shaking like crazy.
Don't stop now. We're so high up. You are doing great.
It is too steep. Plus, my water bottle is empty. I just want to sit on this rock and wait for a helicopter to rescue me.
You are exaggerating. Look up. The peak is just behind those pine trees. Just hang in there.
Are you sure? You said we were close an hour ago. I feel like I'm going to pass out from the heat.
I promise this time. It is about 10 minutes away. Here, drink the rest of my water.
Thanks. Okay, that helps a bit. 10 minutes doesn't sound too bad. I really want to see that view.
Exactly. You are stronger than you think. Just hang in there a little longer.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's finish this mountain before my legs quit completely.
Let's go step by step.
Make up my mind.
I can't sit still. I have been walking around this room for an hour.
I can see that you look really anxious. What is going on?
It is about my career. I received 2 job offers yesterday.
2 offers? That is amazing news. Most people can't even find one job.
I know I should be happy, but I am totally stuck. I honestly don't know which one to pick.
Well, the companies are waiting. You need to make up your mind soon.
I know, that is the problem. Let me tell you about them.
Okay, what is the first option?
The first one is at a big bank in the city. The salary is huge. It is a lot of money.
That sounds great. What about the second one?
The second one is a small design studio. The pay is average, but the office is 5 minutes from my house.
So it's money versus time. That is a tough choice.
Exactly. The bank job means 2 hours on the train every day. I hate crowded trains.
2 hours is a long time. You will be tired every evening. Is the money worth it?
I don't think so. I value my free time. I want to have a life after work.
Then the answer seems clear. Don't chase the money if it makes you miserable.
You're right. I don't need a luxury life. I prefer the local job.
See, you just decided.
Yes, I did. I will take the design job. I'm so glad I finally made up my mind.
Good for you. Now please stop walking and sit down.